Triflex ProDetail is used to waterproof all flashings and details commonly found on flat roofs and balconies. For a clean seal to a ventilation duct, always ensure it is masked off to a height of 15 cm in accordance with the regulations for flat roofing issued by the German Roofing Association. Starting at least 10 cm from the opening, mask off a surrounding square with tape. Clean any PVC mouldings with Triflex cleaner and then roughen the ducts using sandpaper to ensure optimum adhesion. Carefully brush off any loose particles. Next, apply the prepared fleece. First, cut off a fleece section to wrap around the pipe circumference, allowing an overlap of 5 cm. At the base of the duct, allow an additional 5 cm of fleece to form a collar. Cut the collar in approximately 2 cm strips, 5 cm deep. Approximately 2 fleece sections of about the same size are required for the roof area. Cut a semicircular area to fit around the ventilation duct. Both surface fleece sections must overlap by a minimum 5 cm. Apply the Triflex ProDetail resin thickly using a roller to the ventilation duct and around the penetration. At least 2 kg of resin are required per square meter. Now apply the fleece section cut to fit the duct to the resin, making sure there are no air bubbles. Next, roll on a covering layer of approximately 1 kg resin per square meter. The waterproofing is applied wet on wet. At the overlap, ensure that the fleece edges are thoroughly saturated in resin. For the surface, you also need to apply a thick layer of resin. Smooth on the special fleece without creating any trapped air bubbles. And seal completely with a second layer of waterproofing. You must ensure that the edges of fleece are overlapped and thoroughly soaked in resin. Remove the masking tape while the waterproofing is still wet. The result is a cleanly finished detail, waterproof to leave no seams or joints. It takes just 30 minutes for the waterproofing to cure and become fully rainproof. The short curing time of Triflex ProDetail allows swift completion and offers working security even in unpredictable weather conditions. If desired, the finished waterproofing can be sanded to achieve a different visual effect. Apply another layer of resin and scatter grit while still wet.